Hey guys, it's Jonathan and welcome to another video of Tech with J.N.B. Guys, I came back after a long time, and there's a main reason that I haven't shooting any kinds of videos of tech related things for 4 to 5 months. The big reason for that, my exams was running on the whole month of October, November and December. So for this, I wasn't able to make videos on this channel, and there is a pretty much difference that I made to this channel. I just changed the name, changed the logo, changed the banner, etc. So I made a lot of change and a big differentiate. So I wasn't able to make videos for a long time for this. So today is a big surprise for you guys. Today I'm going to unbox a biggie product on this channel that I haven't done on my entire life, and which is gifted by my father and mother, and it is the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch, and this is going to be the biggest tech unboxing on my channel. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it. And here is the MacBook Pro M1 2020 new generation laptop. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Here we have the laptop, the main MacBook Pro M1 2020, and it's fully covered up on a protected wrap. Let's take it up and see what's inside the box. In the box we have a USB-C to USB-C cable which is embedded. We have some documentations. Inside this we have a user manual, and we have the Premier Apple stickers and 61-watt power adapter. So let's put it aside everything and see the main laptop. So here's the laptop. Let's open the protected film or the case, and let's see what's new in this generation MacBook. After opening up, we can see it's very lightweight. It has a metal and aluminum frame body. It has a headphone jack and only 2 Thunderbolt up a USB-C port. And so let's open it up, and here's the laptop. Let's take a while to boot it up. Then we can see it will greet us by hello. The first window, when it opens up, it feels so, the refresh rate is so high. Though it haven't any kinds of 90 hertz or 120 hertz, but even though the refreshers are fast, and the trackpads are so smooth to use, and whenever you touch it a less bit harder, it interacts so good, and the sensitivity are so high, and the multimedia, the colors are so bright, where people can enjoy different kinds of multimedia so easily and simply. It's so easy to use, and even though the multimedia options are so good to watch, and if we talk about the sound clarity, it supports the Dolby Atmos 7.1, which is a very big matter and very nice. This is the highest volume. The thing that I loved so much is the touch bar, and it's so useful to use. It's so useful. If you go to the Google Chrome, simply it opens up, and if you want to turn over to a new tab, you just simply have to tap it, which is really fast. But you don't have to do that. You just simply tap this. If I go to a site, you can see the fast internet. If we have to go back, then we simply have to go touch this up. No, you don't need it. If you have the M1 2020 version, 13-inch or any inch, if you have this, and if you have the touch bar, you can do it simply on the touch bar. You can also write things on it. It will directly shows you up. You don't need to put the cursor on the search bar. You just simply tap on this, and it will also suggest you some words which are really next level. You don't have to always write it up. You can write the main synonym, then it will provide you with the all things that you want to use, and in your perspective you can use emojis on it. Can you imagine? These kinds of things are really rare, and some of the tech reviewers are talking about it, but I'm going to that after this. And even though I liked it very much and so easy to use. So the 13-inch MacBook Pro M1, I just loved it because its portability, its features, its accessibility are much higher than any other laptops in the whole world. Even though the Apple have made the M1 Max processor, where they have given the extraordinary much different kinds of accessibilities much higher than this, but I love this. I just ordered it because of the touch bars, then the cooling system, and even though different kinds of things that I loved it very much for this, and not in the M1 Max, because M1 Max laptops has the best features, like they have ports, they have different kinds of useful ports, then bigger battery, bigger adapter, 120 watt. But even though I don't like it, because the performance are same in the M1 Max. An 8K video takes 15 minutes to render, and in this it takes about 25 to 27 minutes. And if you render a 1 minute 8K video or 4K video, it will usually take 15 to 20 seconds to render on an M1 Max laptop, and in this M1 it usually takes 45 or 43 seconds on this MacBook Pro. And in the MacBook Air version of the M1 processor based laptop or MacBook Pro Air, it will take about 5 seconds late. It will take 5 seconds much to render. It will take 50 to 52 seconds to render a 1 minute video. Enough for today. I hope you liked the video, and so as the unboxing, the first impression, and the review also. So in the first glance, in the first impression, the review, it's very much good. I loved it so much. So I will come with another video. So till then, be safe. Goodbye.